Hi everyone and assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel. Today's recipe is tuna with sweet corn and chicken with jalapeno sandwiches. So the first sandwich that we will make is the tuna sandwich. So we will take 1 tin of tuna and to that we will add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And next we will add in 2 tablespoons of sweet corn. Next goes in some chopped green bell pepper and a little bit of spring onion. We will add in about half a teaspoon of black pepper and a very small amount of salt, so only like a pinch of salt. And then we just mix everything together. After everything's been mixed, you move on to the bread. So you can choose any bread. You can also have regular bread or you can have bakery bread as well. We've just put a thin layer of margarine on the bread and then on top goes the filling. So that's the first tuna sandwich done, and then next we're just making the second tuna sandwich. So here you can see both of our tuna sandwiches are ready. Now onto the second sandwich. So we've got boneless breast pieces of chicken here, which we've steamed, and you have to steam it on low heat with 2 cloves of garlic and some black pepper and salt as well. And after it's been steamed, to that we will add in 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, like we did for the tuna sandwich mixture. And we just mix that in. And then goes in some spring onion and some jalapeños as well. And then we just mix all of that together. After it's all mixed, we take our bread, which has, again the same as the tuna sandwich, a thin layer of margarine, and we just add the filling on top. So here we made our first chicken and jalapeno sandwich, and now we're just making the second one. So here we have both of our tuna and sweet corn and chicken and jalapeno sandwiches all ready. And now we're just cutting the sandwiches. We hope you enjoyed this tasty sandwich recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you try this recipe out, please do let us know in the comments below. And we'll catch you next time with a new recipe. Until then, take care and Allah Hafiz.